Hello crafters, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be doing some decoupage work on this MDF pen stand. Beginning the project, I would like to tell you about gesso. So gesso is a primer for our bases. So before beginning our project, we need to prep our base using a good 2-3 layers of gesso on the base. So gesso gives us a smooth surface to work on. It makes sure that whatever mediums we are using on our project, colors, napkins or anything, that sticks to a project really well and lasts a longer duration of time. So here I am covering my base using my sponge. You can also use your brushes, but I like to do it with a sponge because brushes leaves behind some strokes which do not look that nice, and a sponge gives you a smooth and a nice surface to work on. Also covering the inside of the stand with the gesso. So this is how the pen stand looks after preparing it with the gesso. Now when the stand is dried enough, I have chosen this napkin to stick on the base. So I will remove the two plies that it has. Every napkin has two layers of tissues which we need to separate from it in order to use the final printed layer for the project. So I'm going to stick this napkin with my Decoupage glue. I'm going to take some glue on the surface and then spread it using my flat brush. I'm going to stick the napkin very carefully so that to avoid any wrinkles or any bubbles. Don't just press your napkin too hard because it might tear off. Likewise, sticking all the four sides using the Decoupage glue. If you don't have this glue, you can also just use your Fevicol mixed with a little water. It acts as the same. Also, I am mentioning all the links to the supplies from where you can buy all this material in the description box below, so please do check that. After sticking all the four sides, I'm just going to trim this extra using my scissor. Now I'm just going to remove any wrinkles or bubbles that might arise while pasting the napkin using a plastic sheet. For these extra napkins, I am using my nail filer. I'm just going in one direction and just ripping this off like this. Scrub the extra napkin off from the surface. It will easily come off. Now I'm painting the inside of my pen stand using a pink color. I mix red with white to do this. So here I'm painting my inside with a bright hot pink color. So it looks something like this, and I thought it was looking a bit dull, so just painted the flowers and the flamingo birds with a pink color so that it looks much more brighter. So this is how the pen stand looks after painting it, and now the last step is varnish. I will coat my project inside and out with 2 coats of my glossy varnish. With a flat brush, I'll just spread the varnish onto the surface of the pen stand. So this is how the stand looks after completing it. The shine you see on it is because I have used a glossy varnish. If you like, you can use a matte varnish too. So yeah, happy crafting!